Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You're starting with organized media. Import both camera video and separate audio into the media pool. Once imported, pick a clean reference audio track, usually the on-camera scratch or clap, so Davinci has a waveform to compare. Make sure the project frame rate and timeline settings match your recorded material. Mismatch will break alignment. Then place both clips on the timeline and add sync markers at a clear transient like a clap or slate, which speeds automatic matching. Now use auto sync audio by waveform or by timecode if you have LTC. This will handle most clips instantly. Once done, review each clip. Enable waveform view, zoom in, and nudge any residual misalignment with the trim edit or slip tools. If auto sync fails, drag audio under the video and line up the transient peaks manually. Once peaks match, ripple edit to maintain sync across edits. Make sure to listen in context, because small visual matches can still produce audible drift. Finish by creating new synced clips or compound clips so edits keep a /V alignment. This bakes the timing into your timeline. Once baked, assemble a short test export of a minute to confirm sync under final render conditions. If you notice drift, reconform to original media, use Davinci's elastic audio or adjust speed to match duration and rebake. One key troubleshoot tip: if audio drifts over time, check frame rate and sample rate mismatches. Correct.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.